students, welcome to my class. This is my second video of your chapter first, reproduction, and today my topic is sexual reproduction. Okay, in my last video we have discussed about asexual reproduction. Now sexual reproduction. Okay, sexual reproduction means whether there are two gametes are present and the fusion of gametes takes place in the process of sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, only one parental body is required for the reproduction, but in sexual reproduction there is very essential two gametes or two parental body is required for this type of reproduction. Okay, some characters here of this sexual reproduction. First one is biparental. It means in sexual reproduction there is two parents are required. So after the sexual reproduction the new body is called biparental, in which two parents are involved. Okay, second one is fusion of gametes. In this there are two types of gametes. One is male gamete and the second one is female gamete. And after the maturation of these two gametes undergoes a process which is called fertilization. Whether their fusion of these two gametes is happen. Okay, third one is meiosis. In the meiosis and mitosis are the types of cell divisions. We have discussed in 11th class, you know that. Okay, in meiosis division there is a process in which one cell is divided into four cells. One cell is divided into four daughter cells and the number of chromosomes will be half in each cell. And after the meiosis division the gametes are formed and these gametes takes part in the process of sexual reproduction. Next one is evolution. Evolution means the changes in human bodies or organisms, in plants, which is very necessary to surviving in the earth. So after sexual reproduction evolution process takes place, which is very necessary for the human being. Okay, next one is haploid gametes. You know about the haploid and diploid. We have discussed it also in class 11, haploid gametes and diploid gametes. Haploid gametes means in which the gametes which have the half set of chromosomes present, and in the body which have a double set of chromosomes, that is called diploid organism. Gametes are always haploid body because it has only single set of chromosome present. Okay, because gametes are formed due to the meiosis division, and meiosis division, after the meiosis division which type of cell is produced, that is always haploid. It means that have always half set of chromosomes. For example, in human being one cell has 46 chromosomes. After the meiosis division the each daughter cell has 23 chromosomes. It means half of the parental body. So haploid gametes are produced in meiosis, after the meiosis division in sexual reproduction. Okay, now we are discussing about the events involved in sexual reproduction. Okay, there are three types of events involved. First one is gametogenesis. Gametogenesis means genesis word is, this genesis word is always used for formation. Okay, so it means formation of gametes. Okay, first event in sexual reproduction is formation of gametes. Okay, whether male gamete is formed in the body of male and female gamete is formed in the body of female. Okay, next one is gamete transfer. When the gametes are formed, the gamete transfer process takes place. Okay, gamete transfer, it means for example in plants male gamete is transferred from male body to the female body, and this process is called pollination. Okay, male pollen grains are formed in the male plant and female gametes are formed in the female gland. So the pollen grains are transferred from male flower to the female flower is called pollination, and this is also called gamete transfer from the male body to the female body. Okay, third one is fertilization. Now the actual process takes place, fertilization. Fertilization means after the transfer of gametes from the male body to the female body, fertilization process takes place. It means fusion of gametes takes place. Fusion of male and female gametes are present here, and in this fusion, not only fusion of body takes place, but also fusion of nucleus takes place. So fertilization process is called where the fusion of nucleus of gametes takes place. That's called fertilization. Okay. Fertilization is has a second name. Fertilization is also known about the second name syngamy. Syngamy means fusion of gametes nucleus. Okay. In this process, there is a meiosis division takes place in gametogenesis. In meiosis process, here one cell is divided into 4 daughter cells. Suppose this is one cell and this is divided into 4 daughter cells, and each daughter cell has the single set of chromosomes. Suppose in male body there is 46 chromosomes in parental body. Okay, and when one cell is divided into 4 body, the number of chromosomes will be 23, 23, 23 and 23, which is half of 46. So this structure is called haploid structure, and this structure is called diploid because it has double set of chromosomes. So this is called diploid body, and it has single set of chromosomes, half set of chromosomes. So it is called haploid body. Okay. So each and every gametes will called haploid gametes, and after the fusion, these two gametes will fused together and formed a body which is called zygote, and this zygote is again called diploid body because 23 chromosomes will become from one body and 23 will become from second body, and fusion of nucleus takes place. So the number of chromosomes will be 46, and this zygote will call the diploid body. Okay. Okay, it's all for today. Okay. Next video will be uploaded next day. Thank you.